Hello traders, I am showing you my profit so you can understand how much I have made using this strategy. You can also use same strategy and make money. Let's go to the strategy. So today I'm going to share with Forex best strategy, but first we open GBP/JPY in H1 time frame. This strategy we need two indicators. First FX spinner, T3 CCI indicator. And second 21 period EMA. FX spinner, T3 CCI indicator cross zero level line downward, with candle cross 21 period EMA downward. Then we take a sell trade. Here is sell signal confirmation, we place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. FX spinner, T3 CCI indicator cross zero level line upward, with candle cross 21 period EMA upward. Then we take a buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation, we place buy trade here. We set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.